Hello everybody, today I'm going to try to explain how to connect Beckhoff PLC with another device by means of ModBUS-TCP Protocol, ModBUS-TCP Protocol. I'm going to try to explain it in English. Sorry, but my English is not very good, but I hope that it was enough to understand all that I have to say. So I'm going to start. You can see here that we have a program done in Beckhoff in Beckhoff environment. So first of all, I'm going to try to explain it. I here have a variable that is the variable that I have to share with the other device. First of all, I have to say that Beckhoff is going to be the master in this communication, ModBUS, and the other device is going to be the slave. So here Beckhoff code is generating an array of 5 values. It's an arbitrary values that I'm creating, 0, 10, etc. And in my program, every time that the command execute is done, these values are incremented only to see that it's working properly. And the only thing that you have to do here is use the function fvmb write rex. I suppose function block modbus write rex. Okay, let me put here thing because I forgot it. So the program is very easy. It's a timer, and every 10 seconds it generates the execute signal that modify the values and set the values in the modbus register. Here some comments. First of all, you have to write the proper registers, and you have to use the correct address. So in Beckhoff, the output address that can be shared with other machines, so you can write and read in it, and the other machine also can write and read in it. Not the coils, I mean the registers, start in the address in hexadecimal 3000. Okay, and this is the variable. It's very easy. One more thing, you have to install in Beckhoff to use the server a supplement. Is the supplement, is this one, TS62050. It's not free, you have to pay for it, take it into account. And when you install this supplement, you will have the ModBUS server ready. You only have to do one thing, is configure it. You have to go to this path, see TwinCAT TC ModBUS server here, and launch the configurator. And here is quite easy. You can put the set default or do something very special or similar. With set the default is enough. Here I have the configuration that is the same that you create with pushing the button default, but here is not exactly the same because I take it from the Beckhoff page that the functionality is the same, but with some comments to allow you to understand better this file. You can find all the information in Beckhoff, but the only thing that you have to take into account is that we are writing the output register, this one, and the address is this one. This is in decimal. This is the 3000 in hexadecimal. Okay, and is the value that I have put here. I don't know if I can change. Let me. Is the same. This is hexadecimal and decimal. Okay, so the program is running. You can see that the value every 10 seconds is changing. We are going to wait only a few. Okay, you can see here. Now I need a client to read these variables. I did a client with another PLC, another Beckhoff PLC, but for me it's not very clear because you have to also install the supplement, and it used the ADS protocol also, and by means of the router, and it's not clear. So for this reason I download a demo client, very easy. I'm going to try to use it. I'm going to launch it, to launch ModBUS. Okay, this one. Sorry. Okay, it's starting. No, it's a demo. Okay, the only thing that you have to take into account is the address, the port is the default port. So you have a disconnect or connect. I'm going to connect. And okay, the thing that we saw before, the address of the first register, no, this one, you see this, and this is the same. The number of the register that I'm going to try to read. And here the code that you are going to use, 3. You can find this in the documentation of this simply ModBUS client. 3 means to read output registers. The offset, I'm going to start by the number 0, and the size of this register, because this is Word, I'm going to use 16-bit register. So we only have to send the command, and of course we have here the response. No, so it's quite similar. I'm going to wait 10 seconds more and do another. Okay, yeah, another test. Okay, so it's very easy, but I think that the only problem is to acquire the licensing of the TwinCAT PLC. Thank you. Bye.